Let's get the skeleton out.
Be careful moving it down the stairs.
B, what bone is that?
Leg.
Leg bone. It's the leg bone. This is the biggest
Yeah, that's a
pelvis
pelvis.
I've ever seen. Oh my God, it's his spine.
His spine is bigger than my
Look at
spine.
this dude's spine. Interesting. Bambooed together. He's got ankylosing spondylitis. Wow, look at him.
What?
This is the backbone, basically.
Yeah.
We almost got him finally assembled. Let me give him a little manipulation.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath in, out. Yeah. Oh, feeling much better.
Last time she did artery manipulation.
All right, buddy, we're all ready to stand up.
Do you?
There we are.
That's awesome!
Isn't it awesome?
That's a monster!
All right, Mr. Skelly. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, out. Okay. Good job. Working the undercarriage. Yep, it's retroverted. This is not really my specialty.
What happened? Do you bleed? Do you cut yourself? Oh no!
Yeah,
Mom cut herself.
it's okay. That was dumb.